Senate Bill 1879. Imagine this. Imagine your county needs a new justice center, and the state already owns land right next to the jail and police headquarters. Instead of making the county buy different land somewhere else, the state hands over that property, but only if the county actually uses it for that purpose. What the bill says it does. Senate Bill 1879 transfers about 15 acres of state owned land in Walker County from the Texas Department of Criminal Justice to the county. The land is supposed to be used for a justice center. What it actually does? This means Walker County gets a direct path to build a justice center on land the state already owns. It also means the usual state land transfer process gets skipped for this deal. The county gains land for a public facility, while the state keeps a safety valve. If the county does not use the land for a justice center within 10 years, or uses it for something else, the land goes back to the state. That limits misuse, but it also shows how lawmakers can carve out exceptions when they want a project moved faster. Who benefits? Walker County officials, local courts and justice system operations, law enforcement and jail transport logistics, residents who may benefit from more centralized services. Who pays the price? No direct financial loser is clearly identified in the files. State oversight processes lose one layer of review for this specific transfer. Why it matters. On the surface, this is a simple land transfer bill, but it matters because it shows how the legislature can move state property outside the normal process when it wants to speed up a local project. That can be useful when the goal is practical and public-facing, but every time lawmakers make a special exception, it raises the bigger question of when those exceptions are justified and when they start weakening consistent oversight. For everyday Texans, that matters because public land is still public value, and people should know how and why it is being handed off. Bottom line, Senate Bill 1879 is a narrow bill that helps Walker County build a justice center faster, while quietly showing how lawmakers can sidestep normal state land review when they choose.